Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a reputable VPN and confirming your laptop meets requirements. This matters for security and speed. Once chosen, download the correct client for your OS and run the installer with administrator rights. Make sure you're on a trusted Wi-Fi network so the installation files aren't tampered with. If you have a separate proxy service, note the server address and credentials now, because you'll need them during setup. Next, open the client and choose a protocol. OpenVPN is widely compatible. WireGuard is faster. Pick based on your needs. If you use a manual profile, import the open or config and enter proxy server details and credentials. That connects the VPN to your proxy tunnel. Then enable the kill switch and set DNS to the VPN provider or a private resolver to prevent leaks. Once configured, run a quick now connect and choose a server that balances latency and location. Nearby servers usually give better speed. If you want automatic protection, set the VPN to start with your laptop and remember to configure browser proxy settings if using split tunneling or a separate proxy. If something goes wrong, try flushing DNS and rebooting the client. Make sure your firewall or antivirus isn't blocking the VPN, and check client logs for authentication or routing errors. Those clues tell you exactly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.